What if I told you that a Roman emperor who lived 2,000 years ago had the secret to transforming your mornings from chaotic stress into purposeful power? Marcus Aurelius wrote something at dawn that could change how you start every single day for the rest of your life. And by the end of this video, you'll have 5 ancient practices that take just minutes but will revolutionize your entire day. I'm Marcus Aurelius, and today we're diving into the morning routine of the Stoics, the ancient philosophers who mastered the art of mental resilience. These aren't just feel-good tips. These are battle-tested practices used by emperors, generals, and some of history's greatest minds. Stick around, because practice number 4 might be the most uncomfortable thing you do today. But it's also the most powerful. First, reflect on life's temporary nature. Here's what Marcus Aurelius did every morning. He'd visualize the vastness of the universe, stars being born and dying, galaxies spinning through eternity. But here's the twist. This wasn't to make him feel small. It was to make every moment feel precious. When you realize you're a tiny speck in an infinite cosmos, suddenly your problems shrink, but your appreciation for being alive explodes. Try this tomorrow. Spend just 2 minutes imagining Earth from space. Watch how your perspective shifts. Second, journal your inner thoughts, but not like a teenage diary. The Stoics used writing as a weapon against mental chaos. Marcus Aurelius's Meditations started as his personal journal, and it became one of the most influential books in history. Here's your formula. Write 3 things you're grateful for. Reflect on 1 Stoic principle, then set 1 intention for who you want to be today. Not what you want to do, who you want to be. This takes 5 minutes, but creates clarity that lasts all day. Third, set intentions, not goals. Here's the game changer most people miss. Goals depend on things outside your control. Traffic, other people, unexpected events. But intentions? Those are 100% yours. Instead of, I will close 3 deals today, try, I will be patient and persistent today. As Seneca said, it's not what you endure, but how you endure it. This mental shift puts you back in the driver's seat of your life. Fourth, and this is where it gets intense, welcome small discomforts. The Stoics deliberately made their lives harder in small ways to build mental muscle. Take a cold shower, skip your morning coffee, walk instead of drive. I know this sounds crazy in our comfort-obsessed world, but here's why it works. When you voluntarily choose discomfort, you're training your brain that you can handle anything life throws at you. You're not a victim of circumstances, you're the master of them. Finally, practice present moment awareness through Amor Fati, love of fate. This means embracing everything that happens as exactly what should happen. Not passive acceptance, but active love for reality as it is. Spend your last few minutes of morning meditation reflecting on this. What if everything happening in your life right now, the good and the challenging, is exactly what you need for growth? This isn't just philosophy, it's a superpower. These 5 practices take less than 20 minutes, but will transform how you show up in the world. If this resonated with you, smash that like button. It tells YouTube to share this with others who need to hear it. And if you want more ancient wisdom for modern life, subscribe and hit the bell, because I'm dropping a new video next week on how the Stoics handled failure and setbacks. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Which of these 5 practices will you try tomorrow morning? Drop it in the comments below. Remember, every sunrise is a chance to start again. Make it count.